Here are 3 ways to take your next isiXhosa conversation beyond the greeting. Masambe. You know that moment when you've nailed greeting someone in isiXhosa, but then you don't know what to say next, so then you're just awkwardly staring at each other like, krr, krr. Yeah, let's get rid of that. As South Africans, we love to commiserate. It's not negative, it's just as a way of making each other feel seen. So here are 3 isiXhosa phrases you can use. Number 1, yo ndidiniwe. That means I'm tired. And you'll probably find the other person will say, Shem, nam ndidiniwe. Number 2, yo kubanda kuita namhlanje. It is very cold today. As South Africans, we love to complain about the weather, so make sure you've got that one. And number 3, to manifest some summer vibes, you can say, Aish, kushushu, aibo. And you'll probably find the other person will agree with you in summer. Make sure you slot those 3 easy phrases into your conversation right after the greeting, and let's see if you can keep the conversation flowing in isiXhosa. Hey wena, if you are a beginner, you like learning in live group lessons, and you are ready to start learning conversational isiXhosa, then comment beginner in the comments below and I will send you the link to join my next beginner program starting at the end of August. It's 8 weeks and it's a great combination of live group lessons online as well as WhatsApp support. So comment beginner below and I'll send you all the info to join.